Right, hi guys, it's a nice day again. We're going to take the old 30th anniversary out, and here she is, and we're going to go and feed the ducks. Yep, you heard me. We're going to go and feed the ducks. Right, let's bung that in there, if we can find any. Right, now let's see if she'll start, because this one hasn't been started in 7 months at least. So well, let's see if this one rattles. Oh wow. Yeah, I know, you got to hand it to that new double overhead camshaft engine. It's not like the old Rattler, is it? Didn't even flinch, just like a Japanese bike. Do I say it?
Hi, you're watching Eric Boothrack on YouTube.
Eric Boothrack.
Right. Totally silent when you put it in first gear. The only way you know if you got it in first gear is your number one comes up. Don't want to run the old girl over. Or do I? Get 100 points for an old girl, don't I? Shall I? Yeah? No? Run her over? Okay. I'll let her live. That's 100 points down the drain now. Never mind. Right, we're going to go and feed the bloody ducks. So let's go and do that. We'll take it easy, because I can't believe that just started like that and it didn't even rattle or anything. That's unreal. My other one knocked and rattled like a bloody good one, didn't it? Difference between a pushrod engine and a double over camshaft engine, I suspect. Yeah. Right guys, what are we going to talk about today? Oh, by the way, hello everybody. Yay! We're out on the old bikes again. Hello mister, what are you looking at? Let's go and feed the ducks. Oh, and Rex! Oh, and Rex! You rascal, you. If you watch this video, if I do 2 videos in one day, just don't watch one till the next day. It's easy peasy. Even I can work that out. Don't tell me I'm doing too many videos, for God's sake. Alright, buddy? Just don't watch one of them till the next day. Hey! You made me laugh. Dear, oh dear. I want to overtake this car. But points don't make prizes in this country, and I've got too many of them. And just by luck, if I'll go and overtake this car, some old Bill with a speed gun is going to jump out the hedge and get me. I've just got to be so good. So if you're looking at me driving today thinking, what's the matter with him? It's cause, mate. It's damn well cause I've got too many points. I'm going to go down here. It's got a lovely throaty sound, isn't it? This engine. Can you hear it? Hear that? Whoa, it's got a lovely sound. It's a beautiful day again, I must say. Oh, it's cooled down a bit now, 12.5 C. Oh, I've only got 342 miles to go before I run out of petrol, my computer says. 342 miles. Having a laugh. But it's true. I can do 300 miles. Ah, now, here we go. Oh, there's some ducks and some swans. Oh, here we are, look. Let's stop here. Hello, ducks. That is a lovely bike, I must say. That ride's bloody nice, this bike. Right, what was I going to do? Feed the ducks. Let's just have a little walk round first. Look at that, lovely day. Look, I'll let you have a scan round. Wow, look at that. Well, there's the old bike, look, with its full complement of panniers on, which you don't normally see on my bikes, do I? I normally have a plastic silly top box on my other one. But that one, as you can see, has got the 3 aluminium panniers on it. But actually these ones here don't belong to this bike, because funny enough, you won't believe this, but because when you buy these bikes, or you did, you got 3 panniers with it. So I've got 2 sets of panniers. One for my old bike, and my other ones for this bike's panniers are still in its original cardboard box, in its original cellophane bags. Yeah. In other words, new. Come on, ducks. Here, look, what's this? You miserable gits. Yeah, don't want to know me, do you? Oh, you miserable bloody ducks. Look, I've got you some kin bread. Come on. If I can bloody open it. Come on, you bloody ducks. Look, what's this? Ah. Oh, yeah. Ah, yeah. Come on. Oh, here we go. Here they come. Let's get rid of this bloody thing. Come on, you buggers. There you go. Come on, you buggers. Bread, come on, bread, bread. Here they come, look. There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh, sorry. Fucking bloody wind, man. Yeah. What do you say? Oi, you gonna bite me? Hey, you gonna bite me? Oi. What's this? Here, look. Here, look. This. Here, look. Here. Look, look. Oh, sod you then. Keep look at them having a scrap. You'll have to, come on, that's it. Let's grab that one. Let's grab one. Take it home for dinner. Hey, missed out. Yeah, come on in. Gaggle, gaggle, gaggle. Hey, come on, stop. Shh. Gotta eat the bloody thing, you miserable git. Come on, come on. Oh, bollocks, there you go. Cool, crikey, it's windy here. Right. That's me done. I'm going to go for a ride. Oh. If I don't run my duck over. Alright. Oh, look at them two having a scrap. It's only bread. It's only bread, guys. You know what I'm saying? No need to fight over it. God, bloody hell. Man, I mean, look at the wind coming off that lake. It might look sunny to you guys watching this video, right? But I'm telling you now, it is kin cold. Yeah, so right, let's start the old beast up. Going for its check. That's it, we're off. Here we go. Right. Whew. Actually, I should have put that up for you, shouldn't it? Sounds better. Well, don't stand in the road, you dickheads. I want to come through there. Bloody Canadians. Oh, sorry, Rex. Canadian geese. I mean. Canada geese. Come on, out the way. Because I know what's going to happen. As soon as I bloody pull the clutch in and let it out, you bastard will fly right in front of me, won't you? Right, where's my horn? I got the horn! Oh, fuck's sake. Excuse my language. Come on, out of the way. That's it. Oh dear. I'm surprised you're not getting... Well, you might be getting a lot of wind noise. I don't know. Crikey. Freezing cold there. Ugh.